Learn how to adjust ambient audio, focus tint, and the website blocker on Zentral. To modify your ambient audio, you have a few options. Firstly, you can navigate to the bottom left side of the screen and select the audio. Here, you can adjust the volume and toggle between different categories such as nature soundscapes, lo-fi beats, and focus frequencies. Feel free to test them out and mark your favorite audios. Alternatively, you can head up to the settings on the top right and select ambient music. Here, you can choose the ambient music you prefer or toggle the ambient music feature on or off. During a focus session, you can manage your ambient audio settings from the same location. To alter your focus tint, you can go to the focus tint section on the Zentral dashboard. Here, you can view the different tints available and adjust the tint intensity. To preview the tints, click Preview. A new window will open, allowing you to toggle between focus tints and adjust the intensity to see what it would look like. You can also access these settings under Screen Tint in the Settings menu. During a focus session, you can toggle your focus tint on and off. You can also preview different screen tints from this location. To manage your website blocker, navigate to the bottom left of the dashboard. Here, you can select which websites to block and toggle them on or off. You can also access these settings from the Settings menu. While in a session, you can adjust the settings and change the website blocker from here. If you attempt to visit a blocked website, you'll receive a notification with 3 options. You can proceed anyway, which will disrupt your current streak. Stay focused to return to your previous tab and maintain your streak. Or use the website with intention, which unblocks the website and keeps your streak alive. For instance, if Facebook is blocked and you choose to use it with intention, you'll be directed to Facebook. If you check the website blocker, you'll see that Facebook has been unblocked. If you choose to block it again, you won't be able to access Facebook. This time we'll stay focused and be directed to the previous page. So that's how you adjust the ambient audio, focus tints, and website blockers on Zentral. Enjoy your focus sessions.